launches we have today. Thank you.
Today is a special day. We're launching our 1250 GS and GSA. This is HP edition. This is the new Boxer Twin 1250. So let's see what the 1250 engine does. You get the crash bars as standard, you get provision to install the aluminum panniers as standard. Again, TFT, DBC, HSC, Pro modes, full LED, and of course the new 1250 Boxer. These are the standard base variant price, and they've got the base Pro price here, extra values. Now this is GSA. So the best part is, though it's all new engine and you've got certain features which is standard across these two models, the price increase hardly remains anything. I mean, like it's just 20,000 to 25,000 rupees. That's it. But otherwise, more or less the same price. So you're getting all new GS 1250 and GSA 1250 for almost the same price as the GS 1200 and the GSA 1200. Yeah.
Congratulations.
So hope you guys like the video. See you on the next vlog. So till now, goodbye. This is the BMW GS 1250 unveiled. So हो गया, अभी घर जा रहे हैं. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.